Hello everyone, welcome back to YellowGrey's YouTube channel. So in this session I'm going to cover how to publish UiPath Web Studio process into Orchestrator. So in our previous two sessions we covered two use cases. One use case is with interacting with the web application including exception handling and email notification, and other use cases we covered extracting the PDF data and processing through document understanding and sending the invoice details to the recipient. Okay, and yeah, now I'm going to show you the demo how to publish the process into Orchestrator and how to run manually from Orchestrator, and how to add the file in a Google Drive so that the bot can automatically trigger the process. Okay, so that's how this process it has been designed. Okay, now go to this process, and so here you can able to see this process. It will trigger automatically when we adding the new file into Google Drive. Okay, and this particular session video link I'm given in the description. You can check it. Okay, so yeah, after adding new file, the bot I mean this particular process, it automatically it going to it got triggered, and then it going to extract the document details through DU document understanding, and then it should send an email with all the extracted invoice details. Okay, that's fine. Now in this session is mainly focus on how to publish the process into Orchestrator, right? So here there is a button called publish. So I'm going to publish this process. Click on publish, and once you click on publish, and so you will get this window. So automation name and description and where to publish. So here, so there are three options available, which means one is workspace feed and tenant process feed. And here I have a sales department folder. If you have other folder, and you will get this folder as well. So I'm going to select the personal workspace feed. So here the version is 1.0.3. Already I published 1.02 for testing purpose. So here I'm going to publish 1.0.3. Okay, click on publish. Okay, this particular process, this Web Studio process, it got published into Orchestrator. Now go back to Orchestrator and click on Orchestrator. And here if you click on in my workspace folder, click on process. So look at here. So there is a process added here with the version of 1.0.3, and this is how we need to add the process. Now how to run the process manually? It's very simple. You can run the process from here, start a job, or you can go to job and run the process. Okay, so there is a process already running here. Okay, and now I'm going to start the job from here. Click on start, and select your process, that is extract data from invoice Google Drive, and the runtime, it should be cloud serverless robot, and the machine I'm going to select default cloud robot serverless, and click on start. Okay, now the execution successfully completed, and we'll see whether we are getting emails or not. Okay, so here, go here. Now yeah, here you can able to see the email triggered by the bot. Okay, these are the invoice details. Okay, fine. So now I ran the process from here job, and instead of that I don't want to run the process manually, because the process which I designed, the moment I added the file into this Google Drive, it should trigger, right? So let's check whether it is working or not. Go here, and there are a couple of sample files. So I'm going to add one file here. Okay, I'm going to upload one new invoice here. Okay, it's getting upload. Okay, fine. Let's see whether we are getting new email. Now here you can able to see the emails, okay, which is triggered by the bot. Okay, so that's it about the process, publish and no, the manual run and the automated run, the event based run. Okay, and okay, so in the next session I'm going to cover how to interact with the chat GPT, and stay tuned. Thank you.